Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and it is the fastest way, and the second way is by using the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code for the IMEI number and serial number is *##06#. So again, *##06#. And as you can see, here we've got the device information, we've got both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers, as I said, by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's try to find both IMEI numbers. As you can see, they are right here. We've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And in order to check the serial number, we have to enter the model. And as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.